Hey everyone, it's a long time since I've been recording. I'm going to record this and then post it to YouTube. It's been a long time since I've done YouTube, so I'm out of practice. I'm not sure how to go about doing things now with YouTube, but give it a go and see how it goes. I am Jen from Jenny Wren's Playroom. I will have to reopen my YouTube channel again, but I'll do that prior to posting this video up. Why I'm doing doing my videos is that I cannot sit for long for health reasons. I've got to get up and move. So occasionally you might have a bit of a wavy thing going on because I have paused my video recording. I don't know how to cut and paste, whatever you call, edit my videos. I'm not that much into the technology of things. What I'm doing this month for August, I am the design team leader in Newbie Junk Journals. All the links will be posted down below. The journal that I'm working alongside is with Melanie Maid, and also, sorry, I've got to look, by Mimi with Love. It's a kit that she's got out, and it's really beautiful. Our inner rose, if I got it right, yes, our inner rose. So I'm doing mine as Shabby Chic. I'm a little bit slow in getting it all, excuse me, of getting it all up. But I'll try and put as what many links I can on the bottom. Because as I said, this is well and truly out of the process of doing YouTube. I haven't done it for so long. But the kit is really beautiful. I've got a little bits and pieces. I've printed out the kit. And I've cut it out. I was going to do this while doing YouTube, but my recording, but I didn't. I just redid it, pre-done it all. So they're the little journal cards. I had printed them out twice. One's a bit smaller than the others. These are the tags. The tags are really pretty. So I'll put that in. Just excuse my arm. This is a trifold, what I'm going to use as a trifold, and I've backed it with other pieces that is in the that has been given. Some are her kits and some are just prints that Melanie had shared. So yeah, the kit is really nice. That'll all be down below. I'll post all that where you can buy the kit. And it'd be nice if ladies can work along with us in doing this. So these are the little tabs, whatever you want to call them. I've pre-cut all those out. What else we got here? This is another lot. This is part of the kit. So I have to remember what's in the kit and what's not. But as I start doing it all, putting it together, I'll state then what's in the kit. But these are part of the kit. These little circles. And these could be used for lots of things. Not only in the kit, you could also use them as AT coins. So yeah, I usually use bits and pieces for kits for multiple things, so instead of just using it for one use only. So when I'm sort of trying to get back into YouTube, I will be pre-posting different things, what you can use from with kits and that sort of stuff, where you just gets more usage. They're just little bands. and I'll show you what I'm going to do with those. I'll do some videos on some of these things. I have sort of messed around and done some prior. There's some more. These are little envelopes. I think these are the ones Melanie done. I think, yeah. So there's some things I'll just got to go back and look at the kits and write down what belonged to the kit and what's not with the kit. I should have done that prior to all this. They're just second sheets that I had printed out, so I can use them for other bits and pieces. And it's really pretty. I really like it. It's real shabby. Shabby sort of really screams out at me with this. So they're really nice kits. So I've printed out my pages, and I've cut them down, and I've got some of my tea dye papers and food colouring papers dyed, ready to trim down, and I've just sort of done them like this, and then I'll put the signatures together so that I can cut them down. I can do that now while I'm talking. Well, that one I wanted at the front, so I'll go that way. It's pink. Mix my colours up a little bit. If I got their green, I'll go pink in there. Pink, that one in there. I hope everybody's keeping safe and doing well. I just got to, oh, here we go. Yep, that one in there. I tried to do this prior so there's not so much confusion. Okay, that's one signature. I'm just going to do as a two signature. There'll be plenty of writing space and that sort of thing. But down the edges of my pages I'm going to sew lace. I've got some really pretty lace. I'll show you that also. And next time I come on, I'll work on this as I go. And I'll do the lace off screen. Put that one in there. And that one in there. So that's how I'm going to do my signatures. I haven't got the cover done yet, so I'll get in and do that. These are a couple little pieces I had made last night to go in my journal. And I did some little, that one won't go, but some little embellishments, little clusters I've done. So I've got some bits and pieces I'll use as my tag. I'll put a tag in there. I got this yesterday. I went hunting at the second-hand shop and got some pretty offcuts of lace. So I'll use that in there. And I've got some really pretty laces I've picked up. And I'll add in. Some's cream, some white, but that'll be fine. I'll add those in, and I've got some really nice bits of material. I'll add that in also. Not sure how it'll all go, but yeah, I'll just want to do this as the what I've started, so that you all know where I'm at. Okay, ladies, I'll come back when I can in the next few days. I've got a lot of banging will go on in the roof in the next few days because they're replacing my roof, so I'll work in around that and do as I can. But please excuse my dirty mat, it's very stained. I tried buying a new one, but yeah, I can't at the moment. So God bless, stay safe, and let's hope this all goes well. I mean YouTube. The journal will be fine, but the YouTube bit. Okay, God bless and love to all. Bye.